Third question in this exercise 4.1 for AP board students. The same type of questions are also in NCERT textbook. So my dear students, the CBSE students also can follow this lesson, right? Neha went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When his friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Also, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. That means here, if you understand the question carefully, see in the second line, the number of skirts are 2 less than the twice the number of pants purchased. That means first let us take, let the number of pants is equals to x and the number of skirts is equals to y. Okay. See here in this first case, the number of skirts are, that means skirts are y here, y is equals to 2 less than the twice the number of pants purchased. 2 less means minus, use minus for less. For more, use plus. Okay. So the number of skirts are, that means y is equals to 2 less than means twice the number of pants. That means twice means 2x, less means minus 2. So the number of pants, that is y is equals to 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. So that means 2x minus 2. Okay. Now coming to the second equation, second case, my dear students, also the number of skirts. So here this number of skirts is equals to 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. That means 4 less than means minus 4. 4 times the number of pants purchased means 4x minus 4. So here the two equations we get, two independent linear equations we got here. We have got, what is that first one? Y is equals to 2x minus 2. So based on the information given in the statement, we write the two equations. So before that we should take that x and y. Here I have taken that the number of pants is equals to x and the number of skirts is equals to y. So according to the two cases here, that y is equals to 2x minus 2 and y is equals to 4x minus 4. Okay. See my dear students, in these two equations, let us solve these equations. How you solve these equations? We can solve these equations by graphically or model method or elimination method, substitution method or cross multiplication method, or using formula also. There is a formula to find the values of x and y here for the two linear equations. If they are consistent, we can find their solution. Okay. See my dear students, in these two equations, there what? Here it is y, here it is also y. That means both the LHS are equal. That means we can equalize the two equations. Why? The reason here is both the LHS are equal. That means 2x minus 2 is equals to 4x minus 4. So let us collect the like terms on like terms. That means 2x minus 4x is equals to minus 4 plus 2. So what is 2x minus 4x? That is minus 2x is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2 by minus 2. So x is equals to 1. See, again I am repeating here. 2x minus 2 is equals to 4x minus 4. The reason here is both the left hand sides are equal. So that means the right hand side also equal. So that means 2x minus 2 and 4x minus 4 are equal. The next step what I did here is just collect the like terms. 2x minus 4x, this minus 2 just transpose to other side, that will become plus 2. So minus 2x is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2 by minus 2, that is equals to 1. So the value of x is equals to 1. Okay. Now just substitute this x is equal to 1 in any one of the equation. Substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay. So what is equation 1? Y is equals to 2x minus 2. So from this equation y is equals to 2 into 1 minus 2. So y is equals to 2 minus 2, that is equals to 0. So that means that x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. So what is x? X means the number of pants. The number of pants purchased by Neha is equals to only 1, but the number of skirts purchased is equals to 0. That means she did not purchase any skirts. Students, coming to the fourth question here. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. There are total 10 students who participated in maths quiz here. Okay, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part of the quiz. Okay, here let the number of boys is equals to x and the number of girls who took part in the quiz is equals to y. See, according to the problem here, the total students who participated in the quiz, mathematics quiz, is 10. That means that x plus y is equals to 10. So this is equation number 1. Okay, coming to the second case here. If the number of girls is, so girls means y, it is equals to number of girls is, that means y is equals to what? The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. That means the number of boys are x. That means 4 more means plus 4. Again I am repeating, more means just use plus, less means minus. Okay, so here the number of girls is equals to 4 more than the number of boys. That means who participated more? Yes, the number of girls, they are participated 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, so this is y is equal to x plus 4. See my dear students, here also what? Just here solve these equations using graph. Okay, let us take x plus y is equals to 10 here. Actually there is no specific method mentioned to solve these equations. That's why I'm using whatever method I like. Okay, so any suitable method just we are using here. Okay, x plus y is equals to 10. In the second equation y is equals to x plus 4. Let us prepare the ordered pace. Okay, here also just take the table. Okay, so this is x, y, x, y. See, if you take x is equals to 0 here, then y is equals to 10, right? Or you can take not only 0 here, just substitute some x is equals to 5. So what is y? 5 plus 5 only equal to 10. The sum of 5 plus 5 is only equal to 10. That means if x is 5, y is also 5. Okay, take another ordered pair, just prepare another ordered pair. So take x is equal to some 6. Now what is y? Y is 4. That means x is equal to 6 means y is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, finished. Now here my dear students, take some x is equals to 0. That means y is equals to 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now again take another value. Okay, take some x is equals to 2 here. That means y is equals to 2 plus 4 is 6. So here if you observe these ordered pairs, the first one for the first equation 5 comma 5, 6 comma 4. Here 0 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Not only this ordered pairs, whatever for your convenience, whatever you want to be take, just you take like that, right? So my dear students, here let us draw the graph now here. So this is horizontal line is x-axis and this vertical line is y-axis. So this is x-axis and this vertical line is y-axis. So this is horizon. This intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. Okay my dear students, now here the values of x are, the maximum value is 6, the minimum value is 0. That means 1 centimeter 1 unit is enough here. 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, here -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. But on the y-axis, the maximum value is 6, the minimum value is 4. Here also we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. That means on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is also equals to 1 unit. Both on x-axis and y-axis, what? 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You must write the scale. For writing the scale also, my dear students, we will get marks. Marks will be allotted for scale also. Okay. See now, this is the first one is the first ordered pair for the first equation is 5 comma 5. So this is 5, here it is 5. So it is 5 on x-axis. Both the coordinates are 5 only, 5 comma 5. And the next one is 6 comma 4. This is 6 and it is 4. This is 6 comma 4. Okay. See, this is 5 comma 5. 5 here, y-axis 5. 6 comma 4. So just join these 2 points. So it is a straight line. So this is the graph of what? X plus y is equals to 10. This graph is for x plus y is equals to 10, linear equation. Okay. Now for this one, 0 comma 4. This is 0, this is 4. That means point on y-axis. And the next one is 2 comma 6. This is 2 and here it is 6. Okay. Again join these 2 points. Then you will get a straight line again like this. Now the two lines are intersecting at here. The two lines intersecting at this point. Okay. So my dear students, these two lines intersecting at 3 comma 7. Just if you draw line parallel to from this intersecting point to this x-axis, which is parallel to y-axis, and this line parallel to x-axis, then this line showing at 3 and this line is showing at y-axis at 7. So this solution is, therefore the solution, common solution for these 2 points is 3 comma 7, at 3 comma 7. See, if you substitute these two values in the two equations, then they must satisfy. Then only it will be the solution of the given two linear equations. Okay, let us take the first equation here. X plus y is equals to 10. Verification. Okay. So x plus y is equals to 10. So x is 3, y is also, sorry, x is 3, y is 7. So 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 10 is equals to 10. Both LHS and RHS are equal. So 3 comma 7 is the solution. Now coming to the second equation, y is equals to x plus 4. X plus 4. Y means 7. That is 3 plus 4. Y is 7, no? Right. Substitute y is equals to 7. X means 3. So 3 plus 4. So 7 is equals to 7. So that means this 3 comma 7 is the solution of the given two linear equations. Okay, finally, so what is the number of boys, students, here? The number of boys is 3. The number of boys are 3 and the number of girls are 7. So the total students are 3 plus 7 is 10. Total how many are participated in the mathematics quiz? 10 students. So 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Okay. Fifth question in this exercise 4.1. The question is like this. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Okay. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. Okay. First, let the number of pencils is equal to x and the number of pens is equals to y. Okay, here 5 pencils, 7 pence, that means 5x plus 7 pence means 7y. It is equals to 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils, that means 7x, and 5 pence, that means 5y. This cost is equals to 46 rupees. Okay. So in this case, my dear students, 5x plus 7y is equals to 50, 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. Let us do this sum by using elimination method. Let us learn this method. Let us solve these equations by elimination method. Elimination method. Okay. So see, in this elimination method, actually we equalize the coefficients of either x or y. Here actually the x coefficient is, in the first equation is 5, but coming to the second equation, the x coefficient is 7. Okay, that means if the equations are 1 and 2 means, let the equation 1 we multiply with 7, and what? That equation 2 we should multiply with 5 here. That equation 1 we multiply with 7, and this equation 2 we should multiply with 5. Okay. Let us multiply with 7. That means 7 of what? 5x plus 7y is equals to 7 into 50. Similarly, the second equation, what we are multiplying with 5. That means 5 of 7x plus 5y is equals to 5 into 46. Understood, students? Again I am repeating. To equalize these two coefficients, my dear students, let us multiply this first equation with the coefficient of x, and the second equation we should multiply with the coefficient of x in the first equation. So that means 7 into 5x plus 7y is equals to 50 into 50, 7 into 50. Similarly, the 7x plus 5y we should multiply with 5, again here also with 5. Okay, now let us multiply. So 7 5s are 35x plus 7 7s are 49y is equals to 7 50s are 350. Okay, here also 5 7s are 35x, 5 5s are 25y, it is equals to 5 46 are 5 6 are 30 0 3, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23, that means 230. So my dear students, now if you observe the two equations after we multiplying with the first equation with 7 and the second equation with 5, the coefficients of x are became equal. That means here it is 35x, here also it is 35x. So this equation is number 3, this is equation number 4. Okay, now 3 minus 4. Let us subtract. This method, as I told you, this is elimination method. Just we are eliminating either x or y, but here both the coefficients, x coefficients are equal in the both the equations, means just we are eliminating x's here, x, variable x. Okay, so first equation is 35x plus 49y is equals to 350. Similarly, 35x plus 25y, it is equals to 230. Okay, so we are subtracting. That means the signs of the second equation will be changed. So here plus, it becomes minus. Plus here is there, minus, minus. Okay, now my dear students, this plus 35x and minus 35x both get cancelled. 49 minus 25 means what? This is 24y. It is equals to 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is 120. So finally y is equals to what? So this y is equals to, I use red pen, black pen only. So y is equals to 120 by 24. So this 24 in 125 times. So y is equals to 5. So the value of y is equals to 5. So my dear students, we get the value of y. Now let us substitute this y is equal to 5 in any one of the equation, either in the equation 1 or equation 2. Wherever you substitute, we will get the same value of x. Okay, let us take the equation 1. What is equation 1? From equation 1, what is equation 1? 5x plus 7 into y is 5. Let us substitute y is equals to 5. That means this is equals to 50. So 5x plus 35 is equals to 50. 7 5s are 35 is equals to 50. So 5x is equals to 50 minus 35. So 5x is equals to 15. 50 minus 35 is 15. Okay. So x is equals to 15 by 5. This is equals to 3. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is equals to 5. Actually, what is x and what is y? Y means the number of pencils is equals to 3 and the number of pens is equals to y. Okay, let me write this, students. Therefore, the number of pencils is equals to 3 and the number of pens is equals to 5. Okay, I hope you understand this sum, my dear students. Find the cost. I'm very sorry, not number, the cost. The cost of each pen, pencil, and the cost of, the cost of each pen is equals to y. Okay, therefore the cost of each pencil is equals to 3 rupees and the cost of each pen is equals to 5 rupees. Okay, let us verify now. See here, according to the first equation, that's 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Okay, let us do verification. 5 into, what is the cost of each pencil? 3 rupees, that means 5 3s are 15. What is the cost of each pen? That is 5 rupees. This is, pencil is 3 rupees, pen is 5 rupees. So 5 into 3 is 15, 7 into 5 is 35. So 15 plus 35 is 35 rupees. That means what? 5 pencils and 7 pens cost 50 rupees. So it is verified. Hence it is verified. Last question in this exercise 4.1, my dear students. In class 10th class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in the class. Okay. Let the number of students is equals to x and the number of benches is equals to y. Okay. See, in this statement, 4 students sit on each bench means 1 bench will be left. That means if 4 students are sit on each bench, that means 1 student will be left. That means x minus 1. If 4 students sit on each bench, that means in a bench, if they are sitting 4, then 1 student will be left. That means actually there are x number of students, in that 1 student will be left. That means this number of students, if they are sitting 4 in each bench, that means the number of students minus 1, it is equals to the number of students minus 1. Why? If they are sitting 4 in each bench, 1 student will be left. Okay, that means x minus 1. Now coming to the second case, 1 bench. Okay, if I'm sorry, see, my dear students, coming to the last question, 9th question in this exercise 4.1. Actually, most of the students, they get confused here. Even we have one example sum also, I think. Similar sum, yes, example 4. Okay, please look here. In class 10, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. Okay, let me write. Let the number of students is equals to x and the number of benches in a class is equals to y. Okay. See, in the first case, what if 3 students sit on each bench? That means 3 into x. One student will be left. That means the number of what? Here it is benches is y. So 3 students sit on each bench. One student will be left. That means x minus 1. If 3 sitting on each bench, what? One student will be left. That means x minus 1. From actual strength of the students, just what? Subtract 1. That means x minus 1. If 3 students sit on each bench. Actually, if 3 are sitting means that should be equal to the strength of the class. But here one student is left here. Okay. Coming to the second case, if 4 students sit on each bench, that means 4y. 4 students sit on each bench. One bench will be left. What is the bench here? That means 4 students are sitting on each bench means 4 times y minus 1. It is equals to the x. Okay. 4 students sitting on each bench, but once one bench will be left means actually the number of benches are y. Just remove one bench from that, so the remaining benches are seated by the students. Those benches are y minus 1. So 4 into this y minus 1 is equals to the number of students. Did you understand, my dear students? Let me repeat again and again. Here in this case, in this statement, there are students and benches in a class. In the first case, 3 students sit on each bench means one student will be left. That means these are students. This right hand sides are students. These are students. One student will be left means just remove 1 from the number of students. Okay. In the second case, if 4 students are sitting on each bench, one bench will be left. That means here no student is left here. One bench will be left. That means from the number of benches, just remove one bench. That is actually the number of benches are y. Just remove one bench. That is y minus 1. If 4 sitting on each bench, that means if you remove one bench, then this strength is equals to the number of students. In the second case, no student is left. If 4 students sitting on each bench, but then the one bench will be left here. That means 4 of y minus 1 is equals to x. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. See, my dear students, let us simplify this equation. See, the first equation 3y is equals to x minus 1. That is implies 3y is equals to x minus 1. Coming to the second equation, 4y, 4 into y, 4y, minus 4 into 1, 4 is equals to x. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 2. Now, by substitution method, using substitution method, just from equation 2, observe the equation 2. Substitute x is equals to 4y minus 4 in equation 1. Okay, let us substitute this x is equal to 4y minus 4 in equation 1. This is 4. Okay, let us substitute. That means 3y, this is implies 3y is equals to x means 4y minus 4. Here I am substituting in this place of x minus 1. Okay, so this is 3y minus 4y. Just transpose this plus 4y to this side. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. 3y minus 4y is minus y is equals to minus 5. So y is equals to 5. So the value of y is equals to 5. Y means here the number of benches. Therefore, the number of benches is equals to 5. Okay. See, my dear students, again here from equation what? Here either second equation or first equation, this y is equals to y. No. Let us substitute this y is equal to 5 in equation 1 or 2. Okay, I will take 2. From equation 2, what is x? X means 4 times y minus 1. Let us substitute this y is equals to 5 here. that is 4 times 5 minus 1. So x is equal to 4 times 4, that is equals to 16. That means therefore the number of x means number of students. Therefore the number of students is equals to 16. So 16 students are there, only 5 benches are there. So let us verify now here. Actually the number of benches is equals to 6 and the number of students is equals to 16. Okay. See, if according to the first condition, first case, if 3 students are sit on each bench, that means number of benches are 5. 3 into 5, 15. So 1 student will be left. So actually the number of students are 16, but 3 students are sitting on each bench, means 3 into 5, that is equals to 15. So 1 student is left. Yes or no? 15, actual strength is 16. Okay. If what? The next case, 4 students are sitting on each bench. 1 bench will be left. That means the number of benches are 5. If you remove 1 bench from 5, 4 will be left. That means 5 into what? Sorry, 4 into 4 is equals to 16. It is exactly equal to the number of students. Okay. So my dear students, I hope you understand this question and all this exercise 4.1 and the concept of linear equations and different methods. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to write in the comment box. Thank you very much.